Photos. Before incorporating photos in an album, they need to be managed, edited, and approved. This workflow is now incorporated in the Album Express software. It starts with photo management. Click on Rename and it will open a window. A list of selected photos will be displayed in the window. Define the new naming format prefix and numbering format. The name preview is instantly displayed in front of the old photo names. Next, click on Resize. This helps to resize all the heavy-sized photos to reduced photo size. Either you can reduce the size with percentage, or you can simply choose a new size. Any unavailable size can be added to the size collection. Select the units, DPI, width and height, and save the size in the software. With this done, the size will be accessible in the Resize window. Whatever size you choose, the new size will be displayed in a separate column. The quality indicator indicates whether the photo will retain its quality or lose it after resizing. Photos can be rotated to place them in the right orientation. You can copy photos to another folder in this computer, or you can simply move the photos to the other folder. Manage photos are now ready for editing. You have some basic color correction tools clubbed under Enhance option. Basic filters allows you to manage BCG, RGB, level, and curve with simple sliders or value boxes. There are tools to colorize the photo, add blurred effect, manage feather and opacity, crop or manage tilted photos with rotate. Artistic filters can transform photos into an artistic look. You can pull in Photoshop plugins and use them for enhancing photos. There are several other editing tools to use or explore to make the photos appear perfect. Lasso to make cutout images. Start creating layer by selecting the layer path. Finish the layer path. Multiple layers can be created. Layer can be inverted with invert. Chroma to remove solid color background from images. Touch up is to remove blemishes from face. Adjust the brush size, feather, and opacity. Combination of Alt plus mouse click will let you select the clone point. Now, apply touch up. Keep the Control key pressed to activate correction mode. Save the changes. Highlighter is to highlight certain parts of the image. Before highlighting, adjust the brush size, feather, and opacity. To highlight any area, left-click and highlight. Save the changes made in the photo. And eraser to erase out unwanted parts from the image. You can access Photoshop for photo editing. Once the photos are managed well, it's time to get them approved from the bride so that they can be accommodated in the album. While sending photos for approval, safeguard them by using a watermark. You will need to sign in or create an account to get the album proofing notifications in your email. If you do not have an account, create new and sign in with new login details. Review your profile and proceed to Pay to upload your album for approval. Once the photos are uploaded for approval, a key is generated. Communicate this key with your client. The client needs to visit www.albumexpressonline.com and enter this key to preview the photos. The client can select the final photos and can also add comments and remarks. Once the client finishes commenting and sends an approval, you will be notified. The comments appear on photos. In this way, photos can be approved. You can sort and select the photos based on approvals received.